Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making broccoli, bacon, cheddar chicken. Alright guys, I'm starting out here on a large cookie sheet. I have 3 chicken breasts that I sliced in half to make 6 of them. Now I'm going to season these with some salt and pepper. And it's a pretty easy recipe. I just want to give a nice even coating on each chicken breast. And guys, Dexter still hasn't got adjusted from that time zone difference. We might have to wait till spring till he starts chatting again. Okay, now I have some broccoli florets here. They were frozen. I thawed them in some warm water and then I chopped them up a little bit in smaller pieces. I'm going to top the chicken breast with the broccoli. And you want to put a generous amount on each one. Okay, now that I have my chicken all covered with broccoli, and I forgot to mention, I sprayed some cooking spray on this cookie sheet to keep the chicken from sticking. I'm going to add my cheese. I'm going to take some shredded Parmesan cheese and put a healthy coating on each piece of chicken. And I'm careful not to touch the raw chicken with my fingers because I don't want to have to throw this whole container of Parmesan cheese out. And guys, if you want, you can line your cookie sheet with some foil and spray that. That would be for easier cleanup. Alright, now I'm going to throw some shredded cheddar cheese on here. And guys, these are going to be delicious, loaded with flavor. Just give them a nice healthy coating. And I'm not worried about that cheese on the pan. If that burns in there, well then I'll just soak this pan overnight the old-fashioned way. That'll get her clean. Okay, that's looking good. Now lastly, I'm going to put some bacon bits on here. Now these are real bacon pieces. You want to go for the real stuff. You don't want to use the bacon flavored chunks of cardboard or plastic or whatever they are. You want the real stuff. Just put a little bit on each chicken breast. Okay, now what I'm going to do after I have all my chicken covered with the bacon here, I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven uncovered for a half hour. That'll give the chicken time to cook, the cheese to melt, the broccoli to heat up, and for this bacon to release its natural oils and make everything that much more better. So when this comes out, guys, I'll bring you back. Alright guys, my half hour is up. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some oven roasted potatoes to go with this. Let me get in here and cut into this chicken. We'll see how this looks. As you can see, my bacon crisped up nice. The cheese is melted. Chicken's cooked through. Okay, let me give this a taste, guys. That's really good. Chicken's nice and tender and moist. You can taste the bacon, the cheddar cheese, the broccoli. Give that one more taste, guys. That's really nice, guys. Alright, there you have it. Broccoli, bacon, cheddar chicken. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.